Hello and hi. Today we will be talking about an alkene. What do you guys think about an alkene is and how it is compared to an alkene? An alkene is an organic compound, specifically unsaturated hydrocarbon that contain one or more double bond in the structure. Due to the presence of double bond, it's making alkene is more reactive compared to alkene. Alkene types of hybridization is sp2, which consists of one sigma bond and one pi bond. Alkene general formula is C2H2N. Why you guys think alkene is more reactive compared to an alkene? Okay, alkene is more reactive compared to an alkene because of since it has two bond, which is sigma bond and pi bond. Pi bond is weaker, so when it broke, it creates electron-rich region that attracting electrophiles. Alkene properties: it is insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent. If alkene has higher carbon atom, it leads to higher melting point and higher boiling point of alkene. And also, alkene is less denser than water. So let's see what is alkene used for.
I will explain briefly about polymer and plastic industry, focusing on how polyethylene and polypropylene are made. Firstly, polymerization is a process where many small molecules called monomer join together to form a long chain known as a polymer. One common method is addition polymerization, which happens when the double bond in a monomer opens and connects with other molecules. For example, polyethylene. Polyethylene is made from the monomer ethene. Under heat and pressure, the double bond in ethene opens and many ethene molecules link to form polyethylene. This material is used to make plastic bags, bottles, and food wrapping. Next, polypropylene is produced from propylene. The process is similar. The double bond breaks and the molecule join to form polypropylene. We can find it in food container, ropes, medical syringe, and also car bumpers. So, in conclusion, polymerization is important because it produces strong, flexible, and also lightweight materials that we can use in everyday life.
Next, for the application of alkene in industry, alkene can be used in food ripening and storage. Alkene that are widely used is ethene. Ethene is a plant hormone that naturally occurs in ripening process of fruit, more specifically in seasonal fruits such as apple and bananas. Ethene or ethylene gas acts as an accelerant and can be controlled in ripening process to avoid overripe of fruits. This gas is colorless and flammable. It will bind with receptor to stimulate the maturing stages in fruits and influencing the flavors, vitamins, content, aroma, texture, and as well as color. The concentration, the gas can be controlled to slow down the ripening process.
Now I will explain about living system of alkenes. First is alkene is represented in natural lipids as part of unsaturated fatty acid. Unsaturated fatty acid contain one or more carbon-carbon double bonds, which are defining features of alkenes such as oleic acid and linoleic acid. These alkene containing fatty acid are essential components of lipids that form cell membranes and energy store molecules. Second is maintenance of cell membrane fluidity. Alkenes play a key role in maintaining the fluidity and flexibility of cell membranes. The carbon double bond in saturated fatty acids creates a bend in the hydrocarbon chain. As a result, the membrane remains fluid rather than rigid, especially at lower temperatures. Also, did you know that alkenes becomes the protective and defensive roles in plants? Some alkenes produced by plants function as defensive chemicals. They help protect plants from insects, herbivores, and microbial attack. These alkenes are often found in essential oils, resins, and also plant secretions. Their strong smell and reactivity discourage predators and reduce damage to plant tissues.
So to conclude, alkene is involved in living organism and applicable in humans' daily life.